Hi, everybody. You missed everything. You missed everything. Yes. Oh my god. I honestly can't remember what I was going to say. That's bad. That is really bad. Maybe I have long COVID. Shit. Maybe I have had COVID and now I have long COVID and I can't remember anything. Then again, what else is new? When have I ever been able to remember anything? There's no clamp on the camera. Is there meant to be a clamp on the camera? I mean, playing the game like this could be fun, but I feel like most people would want a clamp on the camera. Most people. Is it like crooked as well? Nah. Nah, I can't, nah. It's just because I'm offset to the building. That's so messed up. Like, maybe it does need a clamp, but maybe I'm not going to implement a clamp. And maybe I'm okay with that. Oh, it's really hard. Like, I know there's a lot of stuff to do, but I don't really know what I'm going to do with it, if you know what I mean, right? Ah, right. So, stop. Stop. Just regular. Game content meshes. Wool? No. Entity? No. Maintained lawn. Ooh. Okay. Uh, okay. Uh. doesn't seem to be an easy way we can turn the shadows off. I'd have to edit the blueprint. Let's take a. Let's just take a second and think about what makes an RPG game an MVP, right? What frame rate? What's going on? Whoa. I have something open that's tuning my frame rate up, do I? Evidently I do. What UVC face is it? You get a frame. No. Editor preferences. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. I had some weird chug. I thought it was rendering something weird or something, and I don't know. Guess the frame rate wasn't capped. But yeah, what makes a role playing game a minimal viable product? Mostly art, isn't it? It's mostly where you go, who you talk to, what they tell you. The characters, how the characters look, how the characters are represented, and the story that's told within the game. What about the gameplay side of the thing? So we'll have gameplay side of the thing. We'll have a world, obviously. Are the towns going to be open to the world, or are the towns going to be new locations within the world? We can have them open. We can use you'd say a great adventure where you play a role. Yeah. Yeah. Open towns. And we have combat. Combat. Time for work. See you in a bit. Or yeah. Well, thanks for hanging out. Missed by night. So even if the rest would suck, it's still MVP. The rest is cosmetics. Yeah, but the rest can't suck. That's the thing. Like, yeah, people don't buy the RPG based on what the story is. People buy the RPG based on what it looks like. But people only enjoy the RPG because of the story. I'm digging myself into a hole here. This is one cyclical Ouroboros mess of a game. At first, yeah. But I mean, in terms of making gameplay mechanics, this is gonna be one of those days where I basically just endlessly write into Trello. It's right in, isn't it? It's right there. Add another list. This is add list title. This is going to be gameplay mechanics. World exploration. Story progress. Combat. Puzzles? Quests. Save games. Of course, it's a balance. I think we're trying to say it's good to have a super minimal viable product first, aside from a minimal list. Way over scoping can be balanced easier. Yeah, you are right. Worm juice, absolutely. But like I've got to figure out something to actually work on, right? Like I can't just be like story. Actually, story is one thing that I don't think I'll be able to work on stream. Wow, quests maybe. So like I want to kind of get the minimum viable product thing. I want to get the understanding of what I need to make to have a thing that can be played, and then I want to extrapolate from that the systems that need to be written to play the game doing that thing. So world exploration, we need to be able to move the character, we need to be able to interact with the world, you know, doors, ladders, stairs, buttons, etc. NPCs, we need to have some kind of a non-player system whereby little beans that look like players can walk around and be interacted with of their own accord. That should be fine. That should be easy. Quote unquote should be quote unquote easy. Nothing's ever easy though, is it? Yeah. I think I need to. Excuse me. I think I need to rewrite my my world probe. So I have a world probe thing where you walk, it does a raycast at your feet and a raycast at the hands, I think, to see if it can move. And I think that doesn't work. I think that needs to be changed somehow. Obviously, if they're both blocked, you can't move. But I'm thinking it just needs tweaking, I think. It doesn't need complete overhaul. But yeah, basically movement systems, combat systems, the game framework setting systems, saving the game. Saving the game. What needs to go into saving the game? We are going to use save game locations, right? So there'll be specific places where you can save. So there's going to be specific places that you can save. So the save game location Quest progress manifest party roster individual player progress character and there do also have to be excuse me, it's not just like the game that saves, but there are things that need to auto save. Achievement progress, but we'll think about that later. So save game location, quest progress manifest, party roster, the individual character progress, so like levels, HP, right, the stats of the item, inventory. I think that's it. So where you save, what quests you've done, what quests are in progress, what quests you haven't found, who's in your party and who you've unlocked, the individual player progress. So each person, each thing that you've unlocked, what level they are, what they have equipped, and the inventory, all the items that you own. I can't put a character return in here. Unlocked. Thinking a lot of this stuff can be bundled together, and we can probably put it into the player controller. Maybe. So the quest system needs to have an outline. An outline of all the quests. I don't know. So there's obviously going to be story quests, and there's obviously going to be side quests, right? Huge slam. Epic slam. So with the quest system, what like if NPCs have like a thing that they say, and then they say a different thing when they say a thing, so they'll be like, oh no, I need you to do a thing, and then you say I'll do the thing, and then you talk to them again, they say, have you done the thing yet? And you talk to them again, they'll have maybe a flip-flop or an enum for that. So each NPC has the dialogue driven from the quest status in the quest roster. That seems fine to me. I think that seems fine. It's yeah. I just haven't got it to a point at which it's broken down enough to be workable on. I just don't know. I'm just gonna sit here and not know for a while. Do you know? So we need we need That's all I got so far. Story progress. World exploration. Stairs and doors. Change movement and camera to action events. Do we need to? I don't think we need to. We can archive that. Make that orange though. Save game system implementation. Save game widget for main menu, including load. Delete long press boy. But right. I don't really know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna have a break. I'm gonna do some thinking and I'm gonna come back. I might be a while, so like don't feel like you have to stick around here. You know, because I won't be here for a while. But I'll leave this on. Enjoy my thinking. Thank you so much. If you want to check out some other cool devs, Wormjuice Dev probably isn't online right now. In fact, who is online? Ace Gikmo is online. You can go check out Ace Gikmo. She's doing something in Unity. I think. Jogger Joel is also online. Tim Biaudet looks like he's disconnected. Go Pirate Software. They're all online. they're underneath the video as well, I think, or on the main page. You can check them out from there. Yeah, I'll be back definitely today, but yeah, see you in a while, let's say. Okay, yeah. I don't know why it's shocked. I'm not shocked right now, but I am. What is? Um. Oh, hello. Uh. I'm just gonna do this. Sometimes you just gotta do it. Yeah. Yeah. No. Not. Boolean. It's not a Boolean. I love clamp. I love the float clamp. It's my favorite. It's my favorite node, I think. Let's add a minimum to that. Let's not get crazy. The default is 300. Oh. No do once, okay. Oops. Oh, hello. But hmm. Hmm. Works perfectly. It's like I knew I was gonna put a zoom in. And I think This is a nightmare. I don't know about this. Oh right, no, it's just resetting it. Do I live on Elm Street? It's worm juice. You're making a reference, aren't you, to a movie? A movie I have not seen. Oh, I see. I get it. Like, who thought this was a good idea? Who thought any of this was a good idea? Ah, here's collision checks right here. That's fine. It does the collision check, and then it moves you. Sorry, and then it rotates you, and then if you pass the collision check, it moves you. Okay, I can deal with that. I think we want this as well. This was so hard to pick apart the first time, and I don't want to pick it apart again. I'm gonna collapse this to a macro, and this macro is going to be controller input still valid. No, I'm gonna make it more verbose. controller input still. Controller movement input still persisting. It doesn't update it here. That's why. That's why that doesn't work. It updates it when it calls the function movement loop. Right? I'm gonna collapse this to a macro too. This is going to be collapsed to a macro. And this is going to be AD vector respecting camera. Oh, oh yeah. Before I forget, while we're live, Miss Tina V, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy him. I've been all over the place to say it this afternoon, huh? Does this even work? Legitimately, does this even work? I don't think it does. But it does. No, I know it does. Because I spent... Oh, hello. That's interesting. I didn't think you could do that, but apparently you can. It was the camera was set at an angle such that up and right and down and left were pointing in the same vector direction. Oh no. Excuse me. Does that even work? Does how much of this doesn't work? How much of this did I think worked and doesn't actually work? I mean, it obviously does work because you can see it in action, but what the hell, man? That doesn't look like it works. So we have... I wonder if I can put this into a graphing calculator and see it. Do I have a graphing calculator to hand? Yeah. My phone. Oh, I'm live on Twitch. Who would have known? Calculator plus plus. Okay, so what have we got? We've got arc cos x times by minus 1 times by arc sine y Oh, I don't think I have a sine function in this. -1. How do I get the sine of that? Oh, hello. Yeah, okay. That's an interesting graph. It's it's just straight lines. They are in pi. There's a straight line every pi over 2. Is that pi over 2? That looks like pi over 2. Can I zoom in, please? Can you stop spinning and let me zoom in? Stop spinning! No, I don't know what that is. I have no idea. Let's just get Chrome up for a second. Intersection. Sine function. Oh. There should be a sine function. There it is. SGNX. Oop. Will you put the cursor at the edge of the fucking screen, please? Thank you. And then that's all times by -1. Boom, graph it for me. Yeah, it's a fucking... That's a weird graph, alright. Oh, there's 2 lines for each line? What the fuck? Bro. Whoa, why? I don't get it. Have I typed this in wrong? So x minus 1, the arc cos of x minus 1, times by the arc, the sine, the arc sine of y minus 1, signed, times by minus 1. Okay, no, there is only 1 line for each one. They extend... they extend to 0.2, 0.02 on z, to infinity on y, and negative infinity on y. And they are just perpendicular straight lines. I don't know. I don't know. My avatar expression is accurate. 12 months, what do you win? You win a fun badge. Wait, 12 months? Do I have the 12-month sub badge now? Bro, I got a 1-year subscriber badge. Finally. That's the hype. That's the hype we're looking for. Yeah. Thank you so much. Wait, did you sub now? You subbed previously and it rolled over to a year? Z equals. Error already. Fuck out of here. I'll slap you. Not you, not... God damn it. Times by... Whee! You vote, you win one streamed enlistment ticket. One streamed enlistment ticket. Streamed enlistment. Streamed. I'm not joining the army. For clan bullshittery. You're gonna have to make your request a little bit more clear. Z equals. There it is. A cos D. Negative X. Times by SGN A sine D Y minus 1 times by minus 1. Illegal argument A cos D bracket. What do you mean illegal argument? Please check your input. Check your output. As in, I stream a clan event whenever that happens. Oh, right, yeah, sure. Hey, we did it! We did it. 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 What is that? What the fuck is that? This is apparently the function that I wrote, and it works quote unquote perfectly. I don't know what this is. Okay, no idea what that plane is. No idea what this plane is. This is not what it looked like on my phone, and I had no idea what this is. It crosses over itself. There's a lot of Z fighting. I can stream a clan event though. That's easy. That's the easy thing. We can all get together and play Monster Hunter World. I don't know what this is. This looks broken. It's clipping itself off now. I don't know why. It has limits, right? Between 3 and minus 3. And it has limits between... It looks like 1 and minus 1 on the X and Y. We're only using the X and Y of this, aren't we? So that's fine, I guess. This isn't what I envisaged it looking like at all. There's holes in it. I can't pan for some reason, but it's panned me for some reason. Bro, like, people always say it's good to see what your maths looks like. It's good to see what your maths looks like, so you understand the graphical kind of concept of what you've put together, or it helps you to kind of visualize the system. But this has done the exact opposite. I don't know what the fuck is going on now. And it's all typed in correctly, right? Z equals cos to the minus 1 of minus x sine times by the sine of the minus 1 of y minus 1 times by minus 1. Right? That's all legit. That is exactly what it does. And I don't know where any of this stuff comes from. Can I share this? Boy! That's where I have to look, isn't it? No, I'm looking directly at you. Yeah, I don't know what this does. Cursed. No. Why is it so cursed? I don't know. Get your from destination. Controller movement input persisting. Duplicate. Controller input persisting 2.0. Where we replace the axis value with the calculation of the axis value. Because I don't think that the axis value is actually calculated in 510 bits. What the hell? Thank you so much, Ibiki House. That's too many bits. That's wait, is that a level 3 bit emote? Whoa. I've never seen one of them before. I'm blessed. This. AD respecting camera. Yeah. Oh, you got the number 1 bits dono. That's pretty pog as well. Not gonna lie, I got a few of those this month too. I've been sneaking into people's streams and throwing bits at them for fun. I mean, not for fun, but because they deserve them. Hardworking individuals. Yes. Yes. No. It's better all still just work, right? Yay. And then that. Oh, for God's sake. Inputs. How's everybody doing anyway? I actually changed any of that code though, did I? Working like an hour? Oh man. Okay, that's interesting. That's really interesting. It kind of works. Bit definitely kind of works, but it also kind of doesn't work. So you can only strafe now, and you can only turn up and down. You can't move up and down. Oh, I see. When did you subscribe, Mr. Fate? Oh, mouse is bounding. When did you subscribe? I can't search this. I literally have to just scroll down until I find it. It's not there. Yeah, I just saw it tick up in the sub list. Thank you for the resub. 12 months. Again, hype, but I wish Twitch would like have some kind of accuracy on these updates. Whoops. So yeah, that doesn't work. Or it does work, but it also doesn't work. What did I do wrong? Oh, I see exactly what I did wrong. AD vector respecting camera, AD vector respecting camera. I need the other one. I need the WS vector respecting camera. Would you believe that? I would need a different macro for a different vector. Brain disconnected permanently. Okay. Okay, yeah, it doesn't work. I don't know if there has to be like a delay there or something. That works, but it does not work. Now it works perfectly. I see. I understand the problem. That's beautiful. Ah, that's not beautiful. I thought I had something there. I thought I had something. It is important to have this feature in the game though, so that's good. I like this. I don't like the temporal anti-aliasing that makes it look like I'm whipping around at 1,000 miles an hour, but that, yeah, it's by the by. That's by the by. Nothing we can do about that. Okay. This needs to be like completely refactored. Don't need those. That all potentially needs to be outside of the loop. And where is the loop? Move PC is right there. Oh my god. Oh. Oh yeah, no, yeah, beautiful. Okay. I'm not touching that right now. But I want to fix this right now. Fix. Because I broke it right now. That's what I do. And we didn't make any assets. Ah, big shame. I feel really guilty about, like, not being in engine on a stream like this, you know? Just drawing or, like, designing something, but I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna have to happen. So collision check we need. Set world rotation and the delay is entirely arbitrary. We can do that here, right? This is the loop right here. Move PC is the loop. It's the loop body, the function called by the loop body. So if we were to perhaps just sneak this if we were to just, oh, okay, thanks. Just deselect them for me. Yeah, thank you. No, I wanted them all deselected because I wasn't just about to move them. We just sneak that in there, and then we just, ooh, sneak that in there. And then we compile, and then it doesn't work, obviously. It worked. And he still has beautiful collision detection. Beautiful collision detection. Maybe it is a little bit too sticky. Maybe it could be a smaller delay. We'll never know. Oh, that's not the toggle. Is that the toggle? Yeah, there it is. Chung. Oh. I like how it obliterates your view. Can't have anything nice. It's easy fix though. Swat. And then this. Block all dynamic, maybe don't block custom. You can overlap the camera, but you can't block it. And then Scooby Dooby Doop Doop Doo Doo. Scooby Dooby Doop 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 Doo. Should be able to just have, like, yeah. We can get as close as we want to these smelly switches, and they don't screw up the camera at all. Then we'll go. We fixed like 8 things there. All rise for the RPG national anthem. Isn't it though? Pretty much. Pretty much. Are we using a post-process volume, aren't we? I don't know that that helped. Because it was disabled before, right? Screen space, global illumination. There's a lot less on the old grass front, definitely. Are the frame rates higher? Probably. Screen space being what it is. Wham! There's no back face GI though. So you see that? There's GI from the cape, and then it disappears when you pan the camera this way. That could be acceptable. I'm going to put that in the Trello as a thing to consider as a graphical quality setting, because completely disabling Lumen, it will suck. It will definitely suck. Yeah. You like the grass on his feet? I like that. Yeah. I think the screen space global illumination looks pretty good. Considering all things considering, it looks pretty good. Okay. I like it. Are that like G R dot lu? Ah, here we go. Here we go. Lumen dot. What have we got? Diffuse indirect. direct lighting batch size, hardware ray tracing. Oh, enable RTX for direct lighting? Bro. Okay. I need my Trello board. I need my Trello board right now. Trello board. Scooby-Doo. Scalability console commands. R.lumen. Dot. Hardware ray tracing. Non-RTX, one for RTX. Will need printable thing to scan gamer's rig to automatically select and display the option. Smiley face. What else have we got? Force off-screen shadowing. Use off-screen shadowing for all lights casting shadows. Cloud transmittance. Whether to sample cloud shadows when available. Ooh. Use hardware ray tracing for lumen features where available. Need some of the pullback bias when resuming a screen trace ray. Okay. Irradiance field gather is used to field and gather experimental opaque final gather that interpolates from pre-calculated irradiance in probes for cheaper but lower quality GI. Cheaper but lower quality GI, hello? That is very cheap and extremely low quality. What the hell? Look at it. There's nothing. That's stuck. I don't think there's even any GI on this, man. What the hell? Bro. I don't like it, but I will mention it. Lumen irradiance field gather. Experimental opaque final gather. Does that need something to work with? That's what it was, right? Irradiance field gather. Irradiance field gather. resolution of the probe's 2D radiance layout. Yes. 6. It's set by the constructor to be 6. No. Two. Oh! It's taming it. It's taming it, yes. Kind of. It's kind of taming it. It's still pretty nuclear. I'm not gonna lie. It tames the... Oh, I see. It's from emissive. Right, so it's not from bounce lighting, it's from emissive lighting. Okay. Default is 6. I don't think we need to play with that. I don't know. Max roughness to trace, screen space reconstruction. Oh boy. Ah, this is what we want, I think. r.lumen.diffuse indirect.surface bias. The current bias is 5. 2.5. Okay. Fuck you. I don't know. I just don't know. And it's 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna bonk this on the head. Maybe. I'm gonna bonk this on the head. I'm gonna get a drink, and we're gonna play that video game. Maybe I'll get a snack too. Maybe. I think we made some progress. I don't think we made a lot of progress, but I think we made some progress, and I think that's good. Even though it took a very long time. It's important to be pragmatic about these kind of things, you know? So yeah, that's it. Thanks for stopping by the Unreal segment.